All right, today we're gonna be doing the Regeneris CO2 Cellular Facial, okay? Basically, this is a multi-step application of CO2 laser, non-ablative, and it's a little bit of ablative on the skin. We're gonna resurface a little bit. We use platelet-rich plasma, stem cell therapy, and peptides to heal. The whole combination together generally brings us back about 5 to 10 years of age in the skin. It looks really great. Stimulates elastin, collagen, also has some improvement in the epithelium of the skin as well in this procedure, so that we can have some improvement of some of our dark spots, wrinkles, and otherwise as well. So we've already got the CO2 deep and superficial combo treatment done with the PRP and cell-based therapy, release of growth factors all through the face. Now I have my peptide serum, the Regeneris peptide serum that we're going to put on here, which is extremely helpful for the healing process. And you can just feel the warmth of the skin is just taking this all in.